So in our last adventure, we built an amazing custom lightsaber at Savi's workshop. This time, my friend Quentin is looking to get his hands on a really cool Star Wars patch set. So we're going to be checking out all of the merchandise carts, shops, and even both of the rides to try to get our hands on it. And of course, he's bringing along me, a cast member who, as a resident of Batuu, definitely knows where everything is. Totally.
Every smile, spark of light, the tale will always share. Magic in the air tonight, it's everywhere.
It's a really bright day. Not a cloud in the sky. It's really, really pretty. Good Lord, look at all that mess.
Oh, what is this?
That's the line for rides. It's the standby. Like, the park just opened to normie people. So this is how it is first thing in the morning. This is what I deal with every single day. So we're here in the Resistance area of Galaxy's Edge now, where I work. Guy wants to take a look at some of the merch that we got over here. So, what is it that you're looking for? You said patches?
Yeah, I'm looking for Star Wars patches to put on my shirt.
Okay.
The shirt I'm wearing under this coat.
Yeah.
By the way, this is sick shirt.
Yeah, they got some really good merch this year.
Yeah, right here. For my coat.
Cool backpack.
It's really cool.
You see they got the tins.
See, I like one of those because they look a little bit dirty.
Yeah. So we've made it here to the marketplace. We're gonna keep an eye out looking for his patches. We'll see if we can't visit the Outpost Outfitters. Oh, hang on. Wondering, like, what was that for? Well, that is one of the spires here. They built it over the old well here at the entrance to the marketplace. Superstition is of the locals here on Batuu is when you enter the marketplace, you touch the spire, and that means all of your deals will go well throughout the day. So you come to the marketplace, you got to do your buying, trading, selling, making a deal, you know, with whatever scoundrels you come in contact with. You touch the spire, your deals will go well for that day. So we're here in the Toydarian Toy Traders. We got all the toys. But I don't see any patches. See anything you can't live without?
No, not yet.
Ooh, look. So you got Bounty Hunter No Choice dolls. That's interesting. So we don't have them there. We're gonna check over here in Jewels of Bith. See if they got any. Wow, the marketplace is hopping today, guys. Of course, here at Jewels of Bith, they have all manner of souvenir cups, toothpick holders. Of course, they have all the Disney pins.
A mini lightsaber?
Kind of like this mug here with the Black Spire Outpost logo. It's a nice looking mug. Still not seeing any patches though.
Olga's Cantina was fun.
Olga's, yeah, Olga's is usually a lot of fun.
They used to have the Mythosaur mug, but
Yeah.
they don't because that was a limited time.
Right.
However, you can get 2 souvenir cups right now, an indoor with your purchase of a Yub Nub.
Yep.
And then the cat.
Ah, the love cat.
Yeah, the little cat. You can get some blue milk. Or
We
some green
can.
milk.
Blue or
Whichever
green?
one.
Have you tried them both?
I have tried them both.
Which one do you like better? Blue
I'm
or
a
green?
blue milk all the way.
Yeah, me too.
Not just for nostalgia purposes.
But it just tastes better. I've tried them both. Blue milk all the way.
And I never need alcohol in it.
No, of course. I mean, just because you can doesn't mean you should.
Exactly. And
So-
plus it just tastes better.
Right. Yeah.
If you want something like that, I'd get it at home.
Go to Olga's, or they got a few options like that over at Doctor Bay 7. But
Right?
yeah, there's a few.
Think we can squeeze into the first order area?
We could
Or,
try while everybody's distracted over here. Yeah, we could do that. What are you thinking? You're just looking. KSD. That's cool. That's new.
These are cool wristbands.
Cat, and those are energy shackles.
These are tooling wristbands. They don't like
They're space
come off or
handcuffs.
anything, right?
They're space handcuffs, dude.
The space handcuffs?
Space handcuffs.
Do they dampen my powers with the force?
Probably. Okay,
So
so
we could go wait in line for a ride.
we could try. It really depends on how busy it is, but we could see about it.
Oh, actually,
All right, so we're now in line, trying to smuggle some cargo with Hondo Onaka.
that's the Millennium.
It's the Millennium Falcon. It's so cool. All right, you ready to go, lad?
Ready to go.
Let's do it. We're gonna fly this thing out of here. Hopefully Hondo doesn't trick us into doing something we don't want to do.
Is Hondo on this ride, or is it that pirate?
Well, yeah, this is Hondo's base of operation.
Oh,
He's gonna tell us what to do, I guess.
Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed. You let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move out, my friends. See you in the cockpit. I won't be in the cockpit, of course. I'm thinking of... You're still here. Go.
All right, seatbelts buckle from right to left.
Yes.
Push your button.
All right, guys.
There we go.
Finger button, button.
Thank you, Chewie.
Engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. We've got to be faster when we get to the green.
all right.
Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off.
Wait, what do I do?
Up we go. To fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back up the stick to fly out. And push forward to slide out.
Go down.
Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, ain't it? Weapons are online. Pilot, it tickles
I am.
Now let's go get that coaxial. Right, pilot. Bring the jump to light speed.
Here we go.
Here we go. Alrighty.
Yes!
Keep shooting.
I'm going.
They've locked up to us.
All right, we gotta go. Good job, guys. Let's do it.
Go. Going down.
We're not going down yet.
Fire the harpoon. Cargo free. That could have been much worse. Okay, it's my turn.
Whoa. Here we go.
Brace yourselves. Hang on tight.
Gotta restore power.
You got one. Excellent, my friends.
Here we go.
I am the coaxial.
Got it.
You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance are prevented, they did something for Hondo. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that much time.
Woohoo! You got it. Keep shooting. Keep shooting. Keep shooting.
Yes.
Keep shooting. Keep shooting. Keep shooting. Almost there. Almost there.
We got it. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up.
Yes, yes.
Do it again. Let's do it again. Keep going. Keep going.
I will grab it. You pick up the train. Lunch. Oh, that's right. It's get out of there.
Oh, no.
Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Pilot,
You gotta get a bumpy ride.
Pull up.
we did not die. Let's get out of here.
Let's get out of here, guys.
You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
Oh, wow.
Ooh. Oh,
I got
wow.
pirates.
All available techs, we have a brilliant freighter that needs immediate transport back to maintenance bay.
Uh-oh.
This thing's seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.
Quentin, you had one job.
What? I flew it pretty well.
I think we did too. I think we're okay. That is not the right way.
This way.
Made it through the other side of the marketplace, coming around here to the Droid Depot. There's usually some pretty cool stuff in here.
Kind of cool over there.
Oh yeah.
As you can see, I'm big recruits.
You're a big jacket guy.
Big jacket guy. Ooh. Oh, that's really cool.
Yeah.
It'd be real hot.
It would be like now we're getting into the summertime. Yeah.
I got actually a BB unit, and as you can probably guess, I got a BB unit because it actually rolls around. I'm a fan of R2D2, don't get me wrong, but the fact that I could get a rolling ball droid,
A ball droid, yeah.
sounds and does a whole bunch.
And guard, we have successfully made it into the line for Rise to Resistance. So we're gonna meet up with my people and hopefully go save the galaxy. We were captured.
I've been taken. Interrogated.
We will be interrogated, I think.
On probe droids.
Probe droids. I hate probe droids. So sticky.
Yeah, I don't like needles.
How do you think this is gonna go?
I think we're being rescued.
Okay, good.
Luckily, no probe droids.
Hopefully no problem.
Uh-oh.
Probe droid. You're lucky
Better go.
to spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
I'm really aggressive there.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Oh boy.
If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's just below us.
Oh, there's
Wait,
fish.
why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
Time to go.
Nowhere to run.
Yeah, there is.
We'll find it. That was close.
That's very close.
Oh no! Get us out of here.
Time to go.
He's coming. Oh!
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance. You guys really like that? Get close, don't you?
Yeah, we do.
Okay, you're clear. Your escape pods came in a little off target.
A little.
Ground crews will meet you outside the
Got
wreck.
it.
Well, we still have actually one more shop we can go with.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah. What other shop are you looking to go to? Now we're going to take ourselves a look here into Doc Ondar's Den of Antiquities. This is them, the reclaim and reforge lightsaber pieces.
Each individual piece is...
I think so.
Oh my gosh.
Of these pieces, my favorite is the emitter here.
Mm-hmm.
I like the bluing of the steel.
Mm-hmm.
It's really, really cool.
Does this come...
That is a coupler to take two Savi sabers, put them together.
Really?
Yep.
Guess the pommels are anything
That's the
different.
pommel, yeah. And then that's the switch section.
I don't know which one I like better. This one.
I know, right?
This one.
I know.
We're probably gonna do this, this, and this.
Okay. These are two of the legacy lightsabers, and they've got them over in the case there as well.
Oh my gosh! Look at that. This wasn't in here. I don't think the last time I was in here, which was several years ago.
It's been a while, yeah.
That's gross.
Oh yeah, it's a Dianoga. He's sleeping right now. It's a Dianoga. There's the children's lightsabers.
So you want to pay full price for Savi's or a replica? There you go.
This is kind of a replica, isn't it? You want to take a look at some of the legacy sabers? There's that one that was hanging up over there.
Kanan jars.
Kanan jars.
How fast this?
Yep.
Nice. Let's see how big it is.
This thing is massive.
That must be the second one where you
Yeah, where you can. Yeah, it's like the big one.
This is the.
That's the pieces put together of the reclaim reforge.
You know if you can do this in Savi's workshop?
Oh, okay. There's Doc Ondar himself. Oh yeah, here we go. Thank you very much. We found him.
Patches.
Yes.
Jedi patch set. I know this one.
So yeah, that's regular Jedi symbol. That's like the old Republic Jedi symbol. This one, I think, comes from the Mortis gods. That's like the Mortis star, I think. And then that one, I don't know what that one is.
You see it on the back?
All right, so we found kind of sort of mostly what we're looking for. So we are back at the apartment building, and as you saw, we found them there in Doc Ondar's Den of Antiquities. So we had other business, of course, that we had to attend to. So we've decided we're going to make another trip to Batuu because it's just a lot of fun. So keep an eye out on the channel because we will definitely be heading back to Galaxy's Edge very soon. And I think Quentin will probably get the merchandise he's looking at. There's some other merchandise there in the shop that I wanted to take a closer look at. Maybe we'll do so on our next visit. Keep an eye out on the channel, and of course, have a magical Disney day.
Worlds collide and hearts unite with stories we all know. Every smile, a spark of light, a tale we'll always share. Magic in the air tonight, it's everywhere.